Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So this video is actually about a copy trading website that I will also show you how it works and how you can actually set up this kind of website. So this is what this video is actually about. What you are actually looking at right now is the home page of the website. This is the home page. It's actually the home page. See how it looks. This is actually the desktop view. This is the desktop view. So it has other pages too. So you can see it has other pages, and then users can sign up. Like they can register an account here. So you can see this is the registration form, and this is the login form here. This is the login page. So I'll log in into a demo account. So to show you how the dashboard works. So I'm logging in now. So as you can see, this is a dashboard, the user dashboard. You can see the various amounts here, the account balance, the total profits, the total bonus, the referral bonus. You can see the active trades, the active copy trades. You can see them now. The active copy trades, still have this here. You can view all transactions here, the recent transactions. So we also have this real-time market data. You can see that here. You can see that. So you can change from light mode to dark mode. From light mode to dark mode. And you can also see the accounts profile. So you can see this is the user profile. This is part where you set your withdrawal settings, your password, and the other settings. So if you go to deposit now, so you can see the various deposit method here. You just have to put in the amount, choose any of these methods. You can choose any of these methods. So let's go for Bitcoin, and then you can proceed to payment. So now you can see that you can put in your address. See, you can put in the address, and then you upload proof of payment. So I will just upload a random receipt. So now mark as complete. And now I'll go to the admin side. So this is the admin. I'll go to the admin to see that deposit. So I just log into the admin now. So you can see the admin. This is the admin dashboard. To see the particular deposits, you go to manage deposits. Go to manage deposits. So you can see now pending. I can click on this eye icon to view the receipts which are uploaded. So you can see that now. I'll go back. And I will click on process. So you can see now that the transaction has been processed. So you can see now processed. When I go back to the user dashboard, you see that the amount was actually added to my account balance. And then when I go to my recent transaction, uh, transaction history. So you can see now, you can see the deposit transaction, it has been processed. So now with the deposit to my account, I can actually go and copy a particular trader. So when I go to copy trading here, you can see the expert traders. I will click on a particular trade. I will click on a particular trader. So these are the various trader. Click on a particular trader. So when I click on copy, you can see it's showing me the whole detail about this particular trader. So you can see about this trader now. So now it's showing me the whole detail about the trader. So you can see the description of this trader here. See that now. So all I have to do is click on follow and just give me the amount which I want to use on this particular trader. And the minimum following amount is what, $33. So and the maximum is actually 300. I will use 200 and I'll click on what, copy trader. So you can see you have successfully copied a trader within a Bitcoin King. Your trade with Bitcoin King is what currently what's active. So when I go to my dashboard, I will see that the trade is actually what's active. So you can see that now. Trade is actually what's active. So when I go to my trades, I'll see the various trades which I've carried out. See the all the trades. You can see all the trades here. See all the trades which I've carried out. You can see them. You can see all the trades now. So, and again, users can actually submit their KYC details. But right now, this account has been verified. So this account has verified, and you can also swap crypto with this platform. You can swap from one crypto to another. So now I can swap from Bitcoin. Can swap from Bitcoin to BNB. I'll put in the amount of Bitcoin which I want to swap. So let me see. I'm okay. I have this. Can swap this, and I'll get this in BNB. So you can see that I'll get this in BNB. Now I can click on what, swap. Now so see I successfully was swapped this crypto now. So you can see that now. And again, we come to Academy. We have all these locked PDF, like can be form of traders guide and all that, like trading live trading sessions and all that. So you can also transfer funds from one account to another account. So you can transfer from, all you have to do is put in the username of the person, put in the amount, and you can click on what, proceed to transfer fund for your account to what, another user account. And then the withdrawal, let me take you through the withdrawal. So these are the various withdrawal methods we have currently. You can see the various withdrawal methods. And then to select this method, you click on one of them. And it's asking you for the amount which you want to withdraw. Let's see if I put on 5,000 and click on complete. Now it's asking you for a task code which is required to enable you to continue your withdrawal. So this code is gotten from the admin. The admin is the one who gives out this code. So now we'll go to the admin to get this code. So to get the code, go to manage users, go to manage users, and go to that particular user. So this is a particular user now. I'll click on manage, and then we go to actions. You see these actions here, asking you to set task code for client. You see, set task code for client. So you see that now. Now let me add. So you can say add task code. So task details updated successfully. So you can see that I set the task code. So I'll go back to my withdrawal now and I'll input the task code and I'll click on verify code. So before I'm able to withdraw, I need to set up my wallet. You can see that you need to set up the wallet before you can actually make withdraw. So by the time you're able to set up this wallet, your withdrawal will actually go through. So that's it for the user side. Also, there's also referral where you can actually refer users, and the list of referrals will be displayed under here. So let me take you through the other part of the admin. So in the admin, you can be able to set your traders, the expert traders here. So you can go to expert trader and add more traders. So this is the list of trader now. You can add more trader. You can see new trader here. So you feed the detail, you can see the detail, this country, all detail, just select a picture, all detail, and you click on add trader, and you can see the list of active trades. So you can see the list of active trades here, and you can go to action to delete the trade, or click on more actions. So you can delete or mark as what expired. So you can also mark that this trade has been expired. So you can see that now. You can go to email services. Under email services, you can actually send a mail to a particular user. So all you have to do is what? Select the category of mail, put in the greeting, put in the name, the subject, and the message, and you can send mail to what users, all the users in your system, send mail to them. And for your KYC application, this is where you verify all the KYC that has been submitted by a user. So this one's now submitted. So you can view the application here. So you can see now this is the word application. This is the application. And we go to manage deposits. I've showed you this part before. This is where you manage the deposits request by the user. And then under withdrawal request, manage withdrawal, you manage the withdrawal request too by the user. So this is the withdrawal request now. So you can also manage account like trading account and the fee settings here. So you can see that now. See that. So when you go to settings, under app settings, you can carry out your basic website settings like your website name, the website title, the keyword, the URL. So I will show you how to set this up. And we come to preference, your contact name, and tick any of all these options which we want. And then for email, we go to email here, so you can see. So basically, this is how the website works. So I will actually go to the installation part now, show you how you can actually install this website. You can install in a cPanel. So let's go. So I just logged into my cPanel now, and I'll go to File Manager. Go to File Manager now. Okay, so I've entered the folder which I want to upload the file. So I'll click on upload. I'll select file and then select so now the file is actually uploading. We just have to wait till it gets to 100%. So you can see now that it has showed green and gotten to 100%. What I'll do is I will go back to this place now, and I'll click on reload. Then I can see the zip file. I will extract Like I will right click and extract the zip file. So the next thing I will do now is before I enter this folder, or as I enter this folder, I will, if you can't see these files here, go to settings. This is it. This is settings here. Tick this. Mine has been ticked already, so you just tick this show hidden files and click on save, so I can be able to see these files. Then I will select all. You can see this now. Select all and go to move. Then you move it into the folder which you want it to be. Then you click on one level up. So the next thing now is actually to set up my database. Don't forget to delete this file, this one. Delete it. And again, this is the lecture guide. You can edit and read through it. So you can edit, read through the installation guide. Now it's saying the PSC version for this is what, 8.1. You download and extract the zip file to public directory or subfolder or subdomain. If you can't see the SCSS file, go to settings in file manager, create a new database and import SQL database.sql file inside SQL folder. So that's what we'll do now. We go to PHP, our cPanel homepage. You go to my SQL database wizard. So I'll just put test, click on continue. Oops, okay, I think I have the test DB already. I'll go back and put say X test or text X. This is the database details now. I'll copy it. I'll go back to my file manager and .env. I will edit. I will paste it here. Now it's asking me to create a user. I'll say test user, X user, and then for password generator, I will generate a password. I think okay, I like this one. After I copy the password, I will tick this and use password. You come here again, see this DB password. This is DB password. I'll paste here, and then I'll create a user. So I'll select the egg user and tick this and make changes. I'll come to the user I created and paste. So my link is this. My website link is this. So you put in your website link here, and then you click on save. So the next thing you do is asking us to import database.sql. So to import it, you go to phpMyAdmin, we select the database which I created, which is this. Now I'll click on import. So you can see now that it's asking me to select a file. I will select the SQL, this one. So open, now import. So you can see now that it has been imported. It has been imported. So I will load up my site now. So as you can see now that my site is loading, so it's working properly now. What I'll do next is go to the admin link. So you still go into that installation guide. Installation guide is asking you for the admin link. So this is the admin. It says set URL slash admin login slash login. So I'll go to my URL now. Okay. So this is the demo admin login. I'll sign in now. Okay, the admin dashboard has been logged in now. So next thing I'll do, I'll go to settings to carry out my website settings. So the website name can be TextX. Let's just say welcome to TextX. So my link, my website link. So I don't need to put a ND slash. So for this, you have to do all these. You have to do all this. Okay, I can leave this and put 2024. Choose the time zone which you want, and then you click on update. So if you have a logo, you upload the logo here. Upload the logo, and let's go to preference. So you can create an email and put here. So create an email, go to email account here. So let's create an email, and let's say mail. Put in a password for the mail. So let me generate a password. Okay, this is okay. I'll come to so this is my email. Now click on create. So I'll paste it here. So do you want announcements? If you want announcements on your website, you turn it on. If you want to enable withdrawal, you turn this on. If you want trade, Google reCAPTCHA, you turn it on. So if you want translation, you turn it on. If you want KYC verification, you turn it on. So whatever you want on the website, just turn it on, and you click on what save. Then for your email, you can choose to use SendMail or use SMTP. So for SMTP, the email will be this email which I created. So you can put your site name, let's say test X. For the host will be your domain name or whatever host that your server supports. So you come to email from, select this, you leave that, and then for your password, that's my password. So I'll click on what save. So nothing more. So the next thing is to go to the payment settings. So payment setting. So you can see these are the payment settings now. These are the ones that are enabled. So I'll just go to view. So whatever your setting wants to be, just put it there. You can put in your address here and click on save changes. Let's go back again. So whatever your settings want to be, Just you can click on add new to add new payments. So you can see that now. You can enable it for either deposit only or withdraw only, or for both of them. So that's it. This is actually how you can actually be able to set up this kind of website. So if you have any difficulty, you can contact me. My contact details actually on this video description. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys in my next video.